There is another way you can generate an error. Instead of calling a method, a Java exception can be thrown to indicate an error. Here is a servlet that throws an exception. This page doesn't try to display anything but a header, but it doesn't even get that far because throwing an exception causes the display of the page to be abandoned. I could have used any exception class for this demonstration, but I just used an IO exception. As you can see, I have included a text message. This is an option for every exception class. If you do include the message, it is available to the page displaying the error. Of course, you have to set things up to catch the exception, and that's done in the web.xml file. Now, here's where that's done. Here is the definition of the error page. For this, one exception type is specified, the exception that is thrown by the servlet. If you notice the way it's written, it doesn't matter which page throws the exception. This defines how it will be caught. In this example, the catcher will be the general error handler page that I showed you in the previous lesson. Here's what happened when the servlet throws the exception. The first thing you see on this page is the error number 500 has been assigned as the status code. This number is sort of a catch-all status code. It means that the server has encountered an unexpected condition which prevented it from fulfilling the request of displaying the page. The message shown here in the header is the one that was passed to the constructor of the exception. Also, the class name of the exception is included along with the message that it contains.